Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can download an ELSA Speak on your Apple device. Go ahead and search for App Store. Now, what you need to do is go to the search bar and then search for ELSA Speak. Tap on ELSA Speak and download it. Wait for a while and ELSA Speak will be downloaded in your phone. After it is downloaded, it will be installed and then you can use ELSA Speak to improve your English using your Apple device or your iPhone. So, this was a video on how you can install ELSA Speak on your Apple device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.